Number 2, their team captain, Alyssa Valdez.
Full force today.
Well, of course, itong si Genevieve Casugod getting the start to...
To all the fans here in the arena and to all the viewers from GMA News TV, let's get it on!
Yan ang gusto kong marinig doon. Casugod with the serve. De Jesus, Tan, Valdez. Yes! Ayan na.
Bawi agad itong si Alyssa, making sure no, na hindi lalayo ang FEU.
That is Alyssa. Lineup nga na FEU. Palma, Casugod, and Tubino. But
nakakasabay itong FEU.
Alyssa galing sa likod. Hulog. Good reflexes there by Pons. Lifting violation daw ang kay Negrito. And Coach Shaq. 10 puntos. Maraginot now back to serve. Negrito nakabangan ni Valdez. No.
That was very predictable kasi pag talon niya, kita mo isang kamay na agad yung nakaangat. And itong si Coach Shaq.
Only what they practice in terms of attacks and set plays will pay off. Meanwhile, the undefeated Ateneo Lady Eagles said they are determined to keep their record clean. Kwentuhan ng kanilang assistant coach, mas madaming panalo, mas masaya. The team said they focus on their offense and blocking today as they play up against the FE.
Dito sa ating komperensyang ito, the last time that was done was in 2013. Yung Cagayan Valley, 16 straight wins en route to the championship. Ateneo wants to duplicate that. Nice drop shot. Valdez! Oh!
Actually, Valdez seemed to have hurt her finger from that
she's holding out her hand now.
From that block. Kaya she opted to just put it over. Pero ganda pa rin ang pagkakagulong sa net
Right. That may halong dasal yan ng mga...
pasok.
Ng mga fans ni Alyssa. Kulitan. So the serve now belongs to Ateneo pa rin. Casugod. Buti na lang nandun si Pons. Here's Tan, Ahomiro, Atienza keeps it alive. Negrito cross. Pero buhay pa rin ang ating bola. Here's Valdez. Bagap by Gonzaga. Negrito inangat. Pons, drop shot. Giselle Tan is there. Long rally. Valdez.
Oh, that one is out. But there is a net.
Oy. Number 7. Casugod.
Ang Lady Tamaraos parang iniisdi feeling something talaga sa kanyang right hand.
Maraginot. Paganda ang kanyang serve. They send it to Pons. Pons denied there by Ahomiro. One more time around for Pons. Coverage is there. Combination play. Valdez. This is 8 unanswered points now for Ateneo. And Tony Rose Basas checks in for the first time. Alyssa still holding that right hand pero umu-open sa kolod. Maraginot. Tan. Valdez! Wala namang injury yata to si Alyssa.
Wala naman. She was just trying to shake it off kanina. Wala lang yun.
Take a look at that. It's an ultra fast spike brought to us by PLDT Volterra, the ultra fast LTE for a happy... Good serve. Ayuma, Malabanan, wala sa pwesto, almost scores though. Here's Alyssa, and gets it off the hands of Malabanan, as only Alyssa Valdez can do. Amazing showing by Alyssa Valdez, but Ateneo dodged the bullet. Ang ganda ng habol ng FEU. They tied it up, but Ateneo just put on the pressure sa dulo to come away with set number 1. Here's our shake and play. Pataasan ng volleyball IQ laban.
Tama.
Alyssa Valdez. Alyssa Valdez getting it done. Ateneo wins set number 1. Set number 2 sa aming pong pagbabalik.
Right time.
And Ahomiro now with the serve. Tied at 1. Negrito. Pons has been quiet today. Tan. Alyssa has been anything but quiet. Oh, that's normal for Alyssa.
Yes, and already on her 7th point for this match.
Ultra fast, ultra fast spike pa yan. Hatid sa atin ng PLDT Home Volterra, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. As we take our friends at Shakey's, if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Duremdes gives chase. And that's given up by Palma. Tan, kabila, Valdez, dalawa nakabang, lalusutan pa rin.
FEU has to have a better coverage, ano? Kung itong si Valdez ang umaatake.
May coverage sa likod ng dalawang blocker, pero how do you stop a
Look at
coverage?
that.
Oh. Diba?
Mas mahirap pick upin ng bola kapag
5-3. Pons. Tan, iniwan. Valdez with a power tip.
kailangan makasabay ng FEU sa Ateneo. And
making the team look good. They're up by 7. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Valdez, impossible to get to that one. Biggest lead now by Ateneo, 8 points, 18-10. And FEU will, and then Lazaro. Heather Ginoo, blocked by Ahumiro. Negrito sends it up. Ginoo tries to drop it in. Tan, Eliza. Ginoo, dug up by De Jesus. Free ball from Valdez. Malabanan nagulat. Valdez. Long rally. Negrito cannot save it. After all of that, Ateneo takes set number 2 by 11 points. 25-14. Kaya pa kaya ito ng FEU? Can they still stay undefeated? As we take a look at our Shakey, shake and play. Eliza, may power pero yun na nga, masama lang talaga ang paghabol doon ng FEU. Third set when we return. Stay with us right here on GMA News TV.
The girls were also relaxing out their energy up by dancing in the huddle. Back to you guys.
Hilig nilang gawin yan. Nakita niyo na ba yung men's team? Ateneo.
ganun din.
Yung libero nila, start tayo sa kanyang workout. Pagtakbo-takbo sa sideline. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. So, this actually will let you burn some calories. Yung ginagawa rito ni Coach Tai.
May sigaw pa
Right.
kasama.
Oo. Valdez, ayan, takbo na Coach Tai. Ayan na. Valdez scores again. Setting change. Maraginot, kahapon pa nagsaserve. Kayuma. Palma, denied by Valdez.
Sabi ni Valdez, nandito kasi ako.
Coach Tai will take a break from his workout to coach the team. Ateneo up by 10. Kasugod. De Jesus. Set now to Eliza off the net. Played by Kayuma. Kasugod sending it to nobody. Ginoo saves it. De Leon on the quick. Oh! It's still kept alive by Malabanan. Eliza. Keep that alive, sabi ni Eliza.
Mahihirapan kayo.
20-10 ang ating score.
Pag ganun ka, madali agad mag-init, madaling mag-adjust.
That's a good serve there coming from Malabanan and net violation Pons.
But that should have been a good dig by Gonzaga. Ito yung nasasayang na puntos dito sa FEU.
So Kim Hekiliana now.
Ito pa. Jo, sa ang aspeto kayo ng laban na hirapan kahit na 3 sets lang?
I think, syempre hirapan kami sa pagiging consistent as a team kasi kailangan, nag-adjust kami as a team talaga kasi yung blocking namin, defense namin, adjust din namin kasi yung, nag-adjust talaga kami so nahirapan kami maging consistent throughout the game.
Pero gayon pa man, meron pa ba kayo na-feel na pressure to remain undefeated?
Wala naman po, siguro lang. Kailangan lang namin gawin yung laro namin, kailangan lang namin yun nga, pag-trabuhan yung consistency.
Thank you so much, and of course, you are our Shakey's Player of the Game. You will receive a box of pizza from Shakey's. So, gusto ko bang batiin?
Hi sa family ko, sa friends ko, sa mga prof ko, at saka sa family ng teammates ko.